Angry Nigerians, so they don't go visit Wike house for Port Harcourt as we dey talk right now. No be small thing. They say that Tinubu government don reply Atiku Abubakar because Atiku Abubakar right give them, tell them say make they release all the whole people wey protest, wey dey arrest, and people wey dey kpai, and make Tinubu come outside to condemn the police. Come hear wetin Tinubu talk o. He say Nigeria police dey do good work o for the people wey dey kpai for this protest o. No be small thing. They say that Asari Dokubo don come outside again, come dey accuse the Igbos how they talk, how they take dey sponsor the protest. He say that the Igbos are the one who are sponsoring this protest. If you hear wetin this man talk, he go ask whether this guy, whether im brain don dey get score. But however, we go play the video for you, make you watch am as he take talk am. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's not the first time they come across this channel, you're highly welcome. So let me play you the video of wetin dey go on for Wike, the minister of FCT house. Now you go see as in face don't be like this. Now the man don't provoke. Just watch the video before we come back and continue. No matter anything where you be for this life, you don't have overpower over the people. When the people decide, when the people wake up, you cannot stop them. This is one thing Nigerian leaders lack. They think that when they arrive there, they have arrived and nobody can do anything again. It's a very big story. Even Tinubu, as he there now giving orders, if Nigerians mean business, they will enter Asrock today. Nothing will stop them. If Nigerians mean business, they will enter House of Assembly today. Nothing will stop them. Kenya youth did it. So, and you will see people ranting on social media. People are hungry. Do something and you are looking a way to bring them down. However, let us look wetin dey happen as we dey talk. They say that Nigeria army by 16 years old boy. Nigeria army by this boy. If this boy dey eat belleful or he dey for class or he's living a good income outside in the street, for Nigeria army to just spy am like that, and this thing dey happen for northern part of Nigeria. You think that North will keep quiet for all this thing that happening? They are not going to keep quiet because it's there that Alamajuru see your young children standing on roadside asking people for help for food. It's in the north, but they have everything, every damn thing they have it, and see it now then they suffer pass. So now the citizens of the north, they don't wake up. Even their leaders they fear because they know their people. They fear. Let me play this video. May you hear what Now Asari Dokubo talk. But before we go there, let us touch this one. You know, okay, I don't already say am before. Atiku Abubakar don't tell Tinubu say making the reason the whole people they don't arrest for this protest. And here waiting Tinubu talk. He said that I'll bring it up here for you to read. But Tinubu don't reply. Say that the police they do good work or they tell they protect or they clap this protest down by all means. But however, let me play you waiting Asari Dokubo talk. May you hear waiting this man use him mouth they talk about the Igbos. Just watch.
You make life difficult for the ordinary Igbo people. Any Obi that is one of the conveners of the protest that was on television throughout yesterday. Where is she from? Is she not Igbo? Is she not Igbo? Igbos are not involved. Always. You plotted coup, killed Northerners and Yorubas, left their people. Now you urge people, you bribe people to go and demonstrate. To go. I have evidence, not that we have, in Abuja here, where millions were given to poor people, poor Northerners. All these beggars, they mobilized to come and demonstrate. They gave them money, asked them to go and demonstrate. Maybe some of them are dead now. We try as much as possible to dissuade them in Suleja, everywhere in Abuja. They pay people. You go in Port Harcourt, they paid about 60, 70 people to come out and demonstrate. They say, come to Bini. I go come Bini, oh. Oh God, you tell me where you there for Bini. I go come there. Then I go see you. I go know you. It's not very far. And the day I go come Bini, the whole Bini go know that I there. Come Bini, Igbo man say come Bini. Paid money to people in Suleja and in other areas, Zuba. They paid money to people. And the people are saying they were paid money, some 2,000, some 3,000, just like that. Randomly, it depends on the group that organized you and brought you. They paid money for people to do while they were in their shop waiting for the people to die. And the people too, not knowing, after collecting the money, looted their shops. Looted other Igbo people's shop. Looted other people's Igbo people's shop. A few Igbo people who are anarchists, in Owerri, you people were busy. In Owerri, you people were busy invading banks, POS, everywhere, killing people and looting and stealing and robbery, so that you use this money to support insurgencies and civil disobedience all over Nigeria. And a lot of people fell for it. I don't know how far it was in Kano, but I know in Abuja that you people paid money to people to demonstrate. My friend whose workshop was burned down, he's an Igbo man. The number of cars that were burned down at his workshop, you can't believe it. He's an Igbo man. Today you sent him out of business. You are bankrupting. What are you looking for? A P2P, 1 million times, a P2P will never win election. That I know very well. 1 million times, a P2P will never win election. What did Ahmed Bola Tinubu do to you people? Oh, Muslim ticket. But today, his government is dominated by Christians. Muslim. I'm a Muslim. We fought. I voted for him. Two things. He's my friend, and he's a Muslim. I voted for him. And you are saying Muslim ticket, oh, this. Now, the same people who are talking, Christians are dominating this government. And you are no longer praising him for that. That, oh, even though we persecuted him, we preached against him in the churches, we did all sorts against him. Now he has won. All juicy places, all places where chop day, na Christian day there. We know how corrupt Nigeria is. We know how corrupt Nigeria is. Everywhere where there is chop, that is where you put Christian, FRS, this one, that place, Christians are dominating it. At least give him credit for that. We Muslims are saying, but we voted for you, we quarreled for you, we did everything for you, so why are Christians taking all the important position in your government? But we did not. We did not. I was talking about Tinubu before even Tompolo contract or anything. Then you don't know me. If I want to fight for Tompolo contract, I will not hide. I will fight for it and collect it. No matter how long it takes me. Igbo man, now you are in support of Tompolo. Is it not the same Tompolo also against the demonstration? So you talk anyhow. Why don't you people just keep quiet for this and be honest? For once, you make some of us feel bad that we have Igbo blood flowing in our vein. I kept on saying this. So where you wear your belly the face? You wear your belly the face? Your belly the face back? For once, you come to somebody's wall, you abuse him. When the person abuse you back, which protest all? The old people will go protest, don't reach 100 after you paid them. Which protest? Did they bring protest to my place? Did they destroy anything in Port Harcourt? They would have received. They know me now. Maybe you have not read about me. For how many years in Port Harcourt, I held Port Harcourt down. Before Tinubu married, I've been talking about his election. That time was their contract. You think these things you say, this cheap blackmail will get to me? The cheap blackmail, Tompolo, you want Tompolo, this thing will get to me? During Tinubu primary, did he give Tompolo the contract? After he won election, during his reveal, did he have power to give Tompolo the contract? I stood, I was in the court, I was in this place, I did everything. Until today, that you claim he has given Tompolo contract, I'm still standing. I'm still talking about him. I'm still fighting. I'm still not ending because I know what he did for me. I'm not an ungrateful person. I don't betray my friends. I allow them to do whatever they like. Their conscience and nature will judge them. So it is not your little noise that will make me not to support somebody who stood by me. If at that time he did not stand by me, maybe when a passenger, but maybe I will not even be here talking so that you insult me. But you have seen the result. You have seen the result and the consequences of the demonstration. A lot of people are regret. I know somebody who was carrying the demonstration on his head. We must protest, we must protest. A protest on his head. Yesterday, I saw his post. Ordinarily, I would have said, oh, why? It don't reach you. But I didn't say so. He has come to his senses. And he said, oh, Igbo people, after instigating the demonstration, did not do any protest in their place, but they are part and parcel in the forefront of the protest in other people's land. Shame. You keep on causing problem for innocent, honest Igbo people looking for their livelihood where they are. Because you will always remain loud. Loud. And you think that you can force people to vote one of you as president. It's not going to be possible. You can't force anybody to vote you people as president. It was a good behavior. So, we should stop this thing. We are killing ourselves. So much bitterness. Bitterness against who? Who are you being bittered against? The job people were killed? Like all other people? In the course of the Biafran war. My family was devastated. It was affected. It was affected. My family was affected. My uncle, King of Calabar, abdicated his throne. Until today, for the first time in our history, he's buried in a foreign land. My grandmother was almost publicly executed by Nigerian soldiers who took control of our community in 1968. My father almost got lost as a Biafran soldier in the medical corps. At that time, it was community health work.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Don't hear wetin Asari Dokubo talk. You don't hear as it dey happen now. Please share this video and make sure they follow all our social media handles. Drop your own opinion in the comment section.